Hey guys, so today we're going to be decorating my dreads. I have the honey blonde bone length in thin, and so that's a bit more difficult with the beads that you have to wrap up because they can slide off more easily. So we had to take that into consideration when picking out our beads, but you saw them in a video. First, I wanted to map out where I wanted the bigger beads. So we have 3 bigger beads. We have the beautiful boho flower. Then we have this heart thingy, which we unfortunately don't sell, but we found in like some old crate with the secret stash beads that we have in here. And then we have this leaf that's made of like a little bead, which we unfortunately also don't sell, but we do have these in some accent sets or DIY accent sets, so have a look on our website. I have a mirror over here, so if you see me looking over here, I'm looking in the mirror. I think it will look really cute if I put it like somewhere around here.